Alright, micro scale garagers, what's going on? I got an order that was put in 2 days ago, so I had to print a roof rack. One of my AO3 roof racks. Right now I'm cleaning up the headlight buckets because it's hard to clean up. So I gotta finish cleaning that up, get that ready. These are my version 2s, Steelies. On the back there I put a little lip on the back. It's kind of hard to see with that light, but put a lip on the back there so that way it won't fall off. So the customer ordered 3 sets of Steely rims and a roof rack. Go ahead and give them something special too. But I was looking on the computer because we went out riding with Adrian's four-wheeler, and we took the go-kart out, tried to make a video on the trails. I had to go get the GoPro. The GoPro's still on the roof of the go-kart. And Xavier lost spark on the four-wheeler. There's a bad burning smell coming from it, so I gotta buy a CDI box. I want to crack the head open and probably get new piston rings. But as I was looking on the internet, I found something cool. Right now I'm watching for Yosh Roku videos. I like his videos. He's got one of these Vaders, and you know, for years I've wanted a Honda Grom. For a long time. Even when I first started my YouTube channel, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do vlog videos riding, you know, Honda Grom or whatever. Well, I think I'm gonna buy one of these Chinese knockoff bikes. I'm really liking this Vader Boom Racing bike. So I was looking on Go Power Sports, yeah, Power Sports Max, and they got one here for like $9.29, and it was shipping, so it'll be like $1,000. $1,200, get a brand new bike, go through it, rebuild it and everything, get my motorcycle's license, and then I can start back trail riding and stuff. Go-kart, it's fun, but it's just heavy. So I was looking at that, and then also found this design through it's a VW Golf I want to try and make a body for the K969 drift car. And then this is a body I've been working in Blender, and I got it over here in Tinkercad so I can cut it up. I work easier in Blender, but I'm gonna take all this stuff, I want to cut it up, and then get it to try and fit in Orlando. So these are the 2 next bodies that I've been working on so far. But got a little cold. I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You know, give them special thanks and wishes and everything like that from me. And then pretty soon we're gonna have a new rim design coming out. I've already sent one to one of my friends. Steely's version 3s. I'm gonna go ahead and try and print a design probably tomorrow. But this deep dish Steely, I'm really liking it. It's really growing on me. So I think I'm gonna finally start printing those. And then I wanna find out a way how I can put micro scale garage in the rim. So I'm gonna work around with figuring out how to write on a circle. So that'll be kinda cool. But alright, just wanna say get out there and crawl, you guys. Peace and love. God bless. Hope you guys have a great Mother's Day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.